quick overview on how to get to the new maps. See this link here, make sure you copy it, apps.nfib.org, or from the email that I'm sending out, frankly, and then you'll, depending on what platform that you're on, Android or Apple, you'll just click through it. So we got Scott Fegley cranking it out on his iPhone.
There you go. We're going to click on iPhone or iPad and install. There's the app right there loading. I'm going to click on that app. I'm going to sure I want to open the application. I'm going to say continue. I'm going to log in with my username and password.
Log in as Bruce Rogers. I'll put Rogers B. And you log in with the same credentials as you always do, right? And what you'll see when this pulls out live, keep that in mind. So what we're showing here on Bruce is he has 110 renewals. He's got about 5,000 prospects into the system and 1,300 reinstates. And hot lists. Now hot lists, we'll start down here on the hot list because this is the main dashboard. Dashboard is the home, so to speak, and you actually would use the web-based app the night before to make your pre-plan. But hot list would be, we'll see here what Bruce has in his docket of priority items that he should be working, you know, this day, should be working right now. So you can see it looks like he's got a lot in Anchorage. So if we wanted to make sure and say, okay, well let's see where these are mapped, and we can see that, okay, through the map app they're pre-plotted. You have all the detail. If I wanted to look at the construction one, there's the renewal ID number. If I want more details, I click through here and we have all the relative data, etc., etc. If I want to, I can go and just renew it, hit the renew. If I'm doing a sales presentation, click the amounts. Now you notice here on the amounts, they're pre-populated just with the same formula we use in the field of going above, $100 above, and then breaking it down in some increments of the dues. And then you would just put in the amount here. Let's say we put in a certain amount. And once you do that, you'll notice the blue is then, okay, well this is how I would renew it. Is it auto or not? No, it's a credit card. What kind? It's American Express. I put in the details here. Security code, hit submit. Now keep in mind this is live, so I'm going to cancel out of this and back out. You're not going to be able to see this because it's but the near me function is the one that's pretty powerful, and I can see if I want to look at the reinstates that are near me, and let's say prospects that are near me, but the range. I could do a range if I'm in a metro area of 0.1 miles. I could do the range all the way up to various if I'm in a rural area. But the objective is just to get you going on it, play with it. Make sure that you're not going to have inventory loaded on it. You should always be able to use the near me function, in particular for members. And you should be able to see prospects through the Google API Open Apps. We have not loaded nationwide prospects of the old DMB yet. But at least it should be give you enough just to go to the app, just download it. Keep in mind it is live, so please don't add notes or make transactions on it unless you mean to, and then give me a call for some other details. But we appreciate it. Talk to you later.